Hello Facebook Ads people, I'm Konstantinos, and today we're going to discuss why I don't like to add creatives in a working Advantage Plus campaign. So, long story short, yesterday I was having a drink with one of my close friends that he also does Facebook ads. His name is Jonathan.
Flashback.
Let's call it Jonathan. So we have the country Jonathan over here, which is having 1 million. We don't need this anymore.
End of flashback.
And he told me, I just wanted to let you know that I disagree with you on the part that you cannot add new creatives in Advanced Plus because something is going to happen, and we had a conversation. So I said, okay, I have to make a video about this so that I can explain to people, maybe they believe the same things. So he said, you're saying in your videos that the budget has already been distributed, so it's not going to spend on other ads. No, if you believe that, it's a misconception. I do know that it can go and it can spend on other ads also. My problem is that, first of all, if you are having one Advanced Plus campaign and it's working, you should not touch it, because it goes with the first rule that if something is working, you don't touch it. Secondly, if you don't do new campaigns with new Advanced Plus campaigns with new creatives and all of that, that means that you're not scaling. So if you're just having one campaign and you're just tossing everything inside and then you're just having the same budget, what's the point? Some people would say that you can increase the budget, but I just see one campaign that you're just messing with all the time. Eventually it's going to fail. Third thing, when you're having new creatives, I don't think that it's fair to test them in one Advanced Plus campaigns that has already budget distributed across other assets, not because they're not going to take budget, they are going to take budget, but it's completely different of running it in a new Advanced Plus campaign and taking the boost of the first 24 hours. This is what I was trying to explain to him, and he agreed that he also agrees with me, as it happens always, because we tend to have we disagree on some things, but eventually we find a common ground. Hi guys, I would like to interrupt this video in order to talk to you about my new mentorship programs, and I would love if you go to the website. You're going to find the link in the description, or you can find it in the menu of my website, and over there you're going to be able to see the different mentorship programs that I have. You can find the one that is going to fit better your needs, and I will hope to see you there. If you have the impression from my videos that you should not do it because it's not going to get any spend, this is wrong. It is going to get spent. It is going to shuffle the cards again. Maybe some of the ads are going to destroy your winning ad. It doesn't matter. I just don't see the point of doing that when you can have a completely new campaign, getting boosted for the first 24 hours and also scaling at the same time, instead of touching something that it's already working. Now, before closing the video, there is also the opposite side that says this. Yes, but you're having the data, all of this data, on the ad set level. So when you're running new ads, you're just not starting from zero, okay? Well, I don't think that this is a valid point. It is true, but on the other hand, you're resetting it again, okay? I hope that you understand that, okay? You just cannot just go and change the ads and not reset it. And yes, it's going to keep the previous data, but in my opinion, I prefer to just risk all of this in a new campaign and leaving this one, which is working on the side, which is also helping me to scale, and also just test all of my creatives all over again, distributing budget in the new set over there instead of introducing to other creatives that have already taken budget, and also not taking the first 24-48 hours boost from Meta. That's my way of thinking. Like it or not, it's up to you to decide what you're going to do with your Advanced Plus campaigns and your accounts. I just think that throwing creatives inside a working Advanced Plus campaign, it's a maintaining thing and not a scaling thing. And you can do it in order to maintain a campaign and just having the same spend for a very long period of time. I just have a completely different philosophy, because I like to use all of these creatives and these Advanced Plus campaigns with scaling, especially now that we can do more than 8 and we don't have any limitations anymore. So guys, I hope that's clear now. That's all I had for you. Don't forget that if you want to learn more, you can check my book, my course, my website, and of course my mentorship programs. And until we meet again guys, be creative and be consistent.